Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious raspberry muffins that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. These amazing raspberry muffins, these are the ingredients. I have baking powder, a pinch of salt, vanilla extract, the juice of 1 lemon, milk, room temperature eggs, unsalted butter at room temperature, all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, and the star, the raspberries. Let's get started. Let's make these amazing raspberry muffins at home. I am going to start with the unsalted butter. It's nice and soft. It's at room temperature. This is how you use your unsalted butter. Get it out of the refrigerator 2 hours before using it so that it's nice and soft. I'm adding the granulated sugar and I'm going to incorporate it really good into it. Once you incorporate the sugar into it, then you are ready to add the rest of the ingredients. I am going to start by adding the lemon juice. I'm going to add the vanilla extract. And of course, I am going to add the 3 eggs. The 3 eggs need to be at room temperature so that they really incorporate into that dry ingredient. I am going to mix it really well, incorporate it before I add the room temperature milk. This mixture is going to get nice and thick. With the milk and the lemon juice is going to create and be a little nice and thick. And now I am ready to whisk everything together. This is the wet ingredient. Make sure that you whisk it really good. And then you put it aside and you let it rest for just a couple minutes while you get your dry ingredients ready. Here I am going to add half of the all-purpose flour. I'm going to add the baking powder, the pinch of salt, and then I'm going to add the rest of the all-purpose flour. I am going to sift it really good because I want these raspberry muffins to come out fluffy, delicious, crispy from the outside, but yet nice and moist from the inside. Now I'm ready to add the rest of the ingredients, the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. I am going to mix it really well, and this is the exercise of the day for me. I'm going to whisk it really good. I'm taking my time and doing it slow because I don't want to send the all-purpose flour all over my counter. So I'm going to mix it good, making sure that I get rid of all the flour, all the dry ingredients, and just make sure that there is no clumps in this batter. It's a nice and thick batter. Look at this. It's nice and thick, and this is the way it should look. Once it doesn't have any lumps at all, then you are ready to add your raspberries. Look how creamy that looks. It looks nice and creamy. I am ready to add the raspberries. I'm going to leave a little bit behind so I could top off the muffins with extra raspberries on the top. Cover everything. You want to make sure that the raspberries are covered completely, but Do it slowly so that you don't tear apart the raspberries. I have my molds here and I have the non-stick baking cream. Of course, this non-stick baking cream, it's marvelous. You add a little bit to every mold and nothing will stick to them. You have this amazing recipe on my channel, non-stick baking cream, that I am sure you're going to love. There is no need to add butter and then all-purpose flour to your molds when you could do it in just one step. This nonstick baking cream will last in the refrigerator for a long time. When you're ready to use it, take it out of the refrigerator for about 1 or 2 hours so that it's back nice and creamy. It's not too thick or too hard. And now I am ready to fill halfway my bowls. Halfway, because this is really going to get nice and fluffy, okay? So I'm going to do the same with every single one. Let me tell you, with this non-stick baking cream, your muffins are going to come out so perfect. Nothing is going to stick. You are going to be happy and you are really going to enjoy this amazing recipe. Look at this. You could really see the raspberries in the mixture. Just remember to fill them halfway. I am done. And now I'm ready to top them off with some more raspberries on the top. I have preheated my oven to 350 Fahrenheit. They're going to go in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes. Every oven is different. But when a toothpick comes out clean, that means they are done. Look at this. I love raspberries, and these raspberry muffins come out amazing. They're not too sugary. They're just the perfect sweetness. I'll see you in about 25 to 30 minutes. When you put the toothpick in and it comes out clean, that means they are done. Look at this. Look how easy they come out of the mold. Of course, using the nonstick cream. If you liked and loved this recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Look how easy they come out of the baking dish. I can't wait to enjoy them, and I can't wait to show you how they look from the inside. Look at this. Golden brown from the top, really moist and soft from the inside. And of course, I was very generous with my raspberries. Look at this. With this cold weather, who doesn't want to enjoy a homemade muffin? Even better if it's a raspberry muffin. I can't wait to enjoy, so I'll see you in a bit. My friends, I am completely done with these amazing raspberry muffins. They're really moist from the inside, really soft. But let me stop talking and let me enjoy one piece of this amazing muffin. Excuse me. Amazing. You know something? When you cook with love, everything comes out perfect. I hope, my friends, you make this amazing raspberry muffin at home and enjoy it with your beautiful family. It's cold outside, and this is a great recipe. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share, and see you on my next amazing recipe. Bye-bye.